Good morning and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Thursday, the 30th of June, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Here we go, rock and roll. Right, we've got Corecoin BTC dipping below $20,000. It is now 19,201. Michael Saylor is gonna start spewing. Well, actually, probably won't because he's too stupid to actually understand what he's bought. Look at this, Michael. You've bought all this hash rate and all these nodes, but you've bought only 24% of the transactions and no data on the chain. You absolute buffoon. And we've got Bcash again. Look, there is nothing on the chain. Absolute ghost chain. And then we've got eCash as well. Look, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. Remember, just like in business where turnover is vanity and profit is sanity, when it comes to Bitcoin, hash rate is vanity, block size is sanity. And you, Michael, are looking at the vanity side because you clearly don't understand what Bitcoin is. But look at this, absolute gem here. Bitcoin $54, hash rate 0.27, network nodes 0.48, transactions 72.71, block size 98.7. So remember, these are data management networks. The data is uploaded via the transactions are processed by the network nodes supply the hash rate, which produces the blocks, and the hash rate is attracted to the value. But the value will soon be reflective in the price. The price is currently speculative because people don't have the knowledge. But when education catches up with speculation, the price will soon match its fundamental values, which means BSV will be $40 million plus, BTC will be at zero, Bcash will be at zero, and Fisher Price Cash will also be at zero. It really doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this all out. My goodness. Right, let's have a look at some of these blocks coming through. We've got a 2.1 gigabyte block on Bitcoin. We've got a 1.3 gigabyte block as well. Loving that. TAL and SBI Crypto going head to head here. Loving it. There are a few unknowns in there as well. And SV Pool. Looking forward to seeing the pie chart of hash rate in a minute. Unknown miner looks like they're giving SBI Crypto and TAL an absolute field day when it comes to making profits here. Oh my goodness me, be interesting to see what the profitability is now. Good grief, will that open the floodgates to other miners? Oh my goodness me. So Fisher Price Cash still struggling to get all of their blocks over a kilobyte, let alone a megabyte. Bcrash, I think the biggest block they've got is a 3 megabyte one. Oh my god, what a joke. And Corecoin, they've just got a 1.6. Oh dear. Hash rate then, so again, as I said before, hash rate is vanity, block size is sanity. So it's a hash rate. Hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Boom, next. Proof of work by a network, again, it's all coming over to Bitcoin because none of these other protocols have any economic value whatsoever because they're all security offerings. Look at this. Look at this. Now we're talking. It's currently 4,772 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than it is Corecoin. But look at this. It's 7.4% more profitable. Oh, more profitable to mine on BTC. That's not what I was expecting. I was thinking the profitability on BSV was going to be right up. This is going to be interesting. Interesting. All right, here we go. So a daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Absolutely smashing it. So this should be a reflection of the hash rate. But it's not. So I mean, look at the block size there. And yet look at the hash rate. Look, there is nothing on that chain. It's hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Daily Bitcoin transactions by network. Bitcoin winning. Transactions per block. Bitcoin winning. This is fees. This is fees per transaction. USD. Look, right down there. Fees. SirToshi's right down there. Fantastic. This is block fee to block reward ratio. We need that ratio going up as the block reward goes down. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Where are we now? I think we were 4.35 terabytes yesterday. On 4.4 terabytes. Come on. Loving that. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. Corecoin hash rate 24 hours. Bcrash, what a joke. Oh, where is Fisher Price Cash? Not even showing it. But here we look at this. So other miners. What is going on here? Other miners have substantially reduced their hash rate to allow profitability for SBI Crypto and Tau to have an absolute field day, but it's still 7.4% more profitable to mine on BTC. I wonder what's going on there. Something to do with transaction volume and data size, I would guess. Interesting. I have to have a look at this. So again, the reason we don't want shitcoin enterprises on the chain is because the only thing they understand is dollar worshipping, which leads on to price manipulations, which we will look at in the short positions. But before we do that, we'll just have a quick look at the hash rates. Here we go. So it's leveling off. Look at that. It's leveling off. Look at that. It's gone up, and now it's look at this. This is awesome. So it's not a spike. This is fantastic. This shows you profitability. All right. So we'll just have to find out what is going on with the data transaction and data volume. Yeah. All right. So these are the short positions. Oh, short positions on Bitcoin going up. What a joke. And now 90%. Again, just virtue signaling. These traders are going to get absolutely wrecked. Short positions on Corecoin BTC. They have no idea that how thin the ice is that they're skating on. My goodness me. They're going to get absolutely wrecked. So transactions on Bitcoin, currently 22.8% of the entire market. Remember, it is going to gobble the entire market very soon. So anybody who doesn't know what a node looks like, a node are the mining operations. It's mining operations that create blocks that process the transactions. These are they. Absolutely staggering. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Blows my mind every time. Just staggering. Chainalytics, have a look at block size. Where are we now? Block size going down a bit. I mean, but still, look, Coolcoin only 1%. 1% of Bitcoin. So these are all the proof of work protocols, but they're all security offerings because Coolcoin BTC has had SegWit implicated. Bcrash is deleting signature data. Ethereum again did an IPO, so they're a security offering. Litecoin again, Charlie Lee started it, and they've been delisted from exchanges for going anonymous, which means they're centralized, which means like has a central point of authority and control. Same with Monero. Cardano's got a single miner, input-output Hong Kong, and Doge's got an inflationary supply. So they're all garbage. Literally, Bitcoin BSV, the original protocol, and genuine Bitcoin is the world's first and only ever digital commodity. It goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, which makes it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin. Yes, indeed. Let's have a look at Coin Carbon Cap. Again, they're probably not listing Bitcoin. Look at that, because it goes against the narrative that it's inefficient when it's the most efficient system on the planet. We've had a 2.6 gigabyte block mined in the last 24 hours. Block size increasing to 4.8 terabytes. Very good. BSV data, let's have a look at this. Daily data size. Metro ID going down somewhat. Bit strange. Run protocol with 238,000 transactions on it. Let's have a look at applications and crypto fights. Now 202,000 or 220,000. So the transactions are still increasing for Run protocol and crypto fights. Interesting. Data is going down on Metro ID though. Maybe that is where the profitability is lacking. Maybe, who knows. Trends.cash, so again, apps ranking by money spent. DXS and TDXP are absolutely macking it hard. Run and crypto fights going crazy with transactions. They're brilliant. Crypto Quant, yep, the exchanges are cashing out. Look at that. But the price is coming down. Market is starting to shit a brick. What's on chain? Good question. So we've got 5.28 hash rate. Or 528 petahashes, and we have had 764,000 transactions in the last 24 hours. Last transactions on the Whale Wallet was the 20th of June. Morning Run still reporting 5,895 purchases, so that's wrong, unfortunately. What a shame. Quite enjoyed looking at that. Here we go. So the Bitcoin, the trade volume is just at 2.9%. People are not selling. Price is dipping though. What a great opportunity. What a great buying opportunity. 2.3 million bids versus 1.6 million asks. Price on its way up. Loving that. Let's have a look at coins on the market. So Cool Coin BTC trade volume only 6.3%. Wow, right, let's have a look, see where we are in the scheme of things. Still at number 45, that will change very soon. CoinGecko, how are we feeling about it today? Feeling good, 77%, thank you very much. Let's have a look at Tether here. So the price, just dipping below what is acceptable. Starting to lose its peg. Oh dear, oh dear. Let's have a look at the market cap. Oh, there's been, oh no, it was 7 days. No, there's been another sell-off. Another sell-off in the last 24 hours. So that has gone from 66.7 billion to 66.3. So it looks like it's good. That's actually quite a dip there. That has gone to 4. So they've lost, looks like it's gone down 400 million. So half a billion it's lost. Yeah, people cashing out. People cashing out. Let's have a look at a Bittrex then. So it looks like the BSV price. Oh, look, buying opportunities coming. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. Loving that. And let's have a look at Bitcoin versus BTC. Looks like it's just trending down just a little bit. Let's have a look at this over. Here we go. So this is from 5th of June to today. So the end of the month. Look at that. We had a sharp increase there, just on its way down slightly. Let's have a look at BTC versus USD. Here we go. Yeah, ooh, struggling there. Struggling there. Taking a nosedive again. Whew. This is a Coinbase down 85%. Still on its way down. Look, they're making room for it to go lower on the graph here. And MicroStrategy, again, just really not looking good there. Silverfish, we have had 1,200 views. Awesome. There we go. Right, we'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.